Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Mini Cooper bonnet. First, locate the bonnet release lever inside your Mini Cooper. It's usually found on the driver's side, often near the footwell or under the dashboard. Give this lever a firm pull. You should hear a clear click, indicating that the primary bonnet latch has disengaged. This initial step is crucial for accessing the engine bay safely and easily. Now move to the front of your Mini Cooper. You'll notice the bonnet is slightly ajar. Look closely just above the grille, and you'll find two small secondary release levers. There's one on the left and one on the right. Gently push each of these levers towards the center of the car. This action will release the secondary safety latches, allowing the bonnet to lift further. With both secondary latches disengaged, you can now fully lift the bonnet. It should open smoothly upwards. Once it's open, locate the prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the bonnet itself. Carefully extend the prop rod and insert its end firmly into the designated hole in the engine bay. This ensures the bonnet stays securely open while you work, preventing any accidental closures. To close the bonnet, first unseat the prop rod from its hole and secure it back in its clip. Then, gently lower the bonnet until it rests on the latches. Don't just drop it. Once it's resting, press down firmly on the front edge of the bonnet, applying even pressure. You should hear two distinct clicks as both latches engage securely. Always double-check that it's fully latched before driving. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.